The price of the 2025 Audi S5 Sedan/Sportback is expected to start around $59,195 and go up to $66,000, depending on the trim and options. The new S5 is powered by a turbocharged V6 engine that makes 362 horsepower. All-wheel drive and a dual-clutch automatic transmission are both standard. This setup represents a slight step up in power from the current S5 Sportback, which gets a 349 horsepower turbocharged V6 and a conventional 8-speed automatic transmission. The current S5 Sportback exhibits a firm but forgiving ride and offers a lot of cornering grip. While the outgoing S5 still has a digital gauge display and a 10.1-inch touchscreen, the new model comes standard with an 11.9-inch digital gauge display and a much larger 14.5-inch center touchscreen that gently wraps in a curve toward the driver. A third, 10.9-inch display is optional and is mounted on the dash for use by the front seat passenger. A large head-up display is also available. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are expected to be standard, and a 20-speaker Bang and Olufsen stereo will be available as an option. The 2025 Audi S5 is expected to continue the tradition of offering an engaging performance experience combined with luxury and advanced technology. While the official specifications for the 2025 model year may not be fully released yet, we can anticipate several features based on previous trends and what we can expect from Audi's latest developments. Here's a detailed overview of what you might expect from the 2025 Audi S5. Engine and performance. The 2025 Audi S5 will likely maintain its turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 engine, a hallmark of the S5 series. The engine is expected to produce around 349 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque, providing thrilling acceleration and performance. Power will continue to be channeled to all four wheels via Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system, ensuring excellent traction and stability, even in challenging driving conditions. In terms of acceleration, the S5 should still be capable of reaching 0-60 mph in about 4 seconds, making it a strong competitor in the performance coupe segment. The transmission will likely be an 8-speed automatic with smooth gear shifts, enhancing both driving comfort and sportiness. Design and exterior. Visually, the 2025 S5 will likely carry the same athletic and aggressive styling that has become characteristic of Audi's S-line models. Expect to see sharp, angular lines, a more prominent single-frame grille, and LED headlights with a sleek and modern design. The front bumper will likely have larger intakes to emphasize the car's sporty nature. The S5 might also come with 18 or 19-inch alloy wheels, with optional upgrades available for a more unique look. Expect to see a more refined exterior design with slightly updated front and rear fascias, giving it a refreshed yet familiar appearance. Interior and technology. Inside, the 2025 Audi S5 will likely maintain its premium, high-tech environment with luxurious materials such as leather, Alcantara, and brushed aluminum. The driver-focused cockpit will feature a dual touchscreen infotainment system, running Audi's MMI interface, which should be quicker and more intuitive than ever before. The virtual cockpit, a digital instrument cluster, is likely to be featured with customizable displays that show everything from navigation directions to driving data. The S5 will likely include the latest in-car technology, such as wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, an upgraded Bang and Olufsen sound system, and improved navigation systems. The advanced driver assistance features will likely include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, traffic sign recognition, automatic emergency braking, driving experience and handling. Audi is known for its excellent driving dynamics, and the 2025 S5 will likely continue to offer a refined balance of comfort and performance. The suspension is expected to be a sport-tuned setup, possibly with adaptive dampers, giving the driver the ability to adjust the suspension firmness for a more comfortable or dynamic driving experience. The Quattro all-wheel drive system will likely ensure superior handling in various weather conditions, while the drive mode selector will give drivers the choice to adjust parameters such as throttle response, steering feel, and suspension firmness. Pricing. While official pricing for the 2025 Audi S5 is not yet available, It is expected to fall within a range similar to previous models. The starting price for the 2025 Audi S5 should be around $54,000 to $58,000 for the base model, with higher trims such as the Prestige trim or additional options, pushing the price higher. Conclusion. The 2025 Audi S5 is likely to be a refined, performance-oriented luxury coupe that offers an exhilarating driving experience with top-tier technology and design. With its powerful engine, quattro all-wheel drive system, and updated interior and exterior features, the S5 will continue to appeal to enthusiasts and those looking for a stylish and comfortable vehicle that can also handle spirited driving. As always, for the most accurate and detailed specifications, it's best to check directly with Audi as official announcements are made closer to the release date. The 2025 Audi S5 is expected to continue the tradition of offering an engaging performance experience combined with luxury and advanced technology. While the official specifications for the 2025 model year may not be fully released yet, we can anticipate several features based on previous trends and what we can expect from Audi's latest developments. Here's a detailed overview of what you might expect from the 2025 Audi S5. Engine and performance. The 2025 Audi S5 will likely maintain its turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 engine, a hallmark of the S5 series. The engine is expected to produce around 349 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque, providing thrilling acceleration and performance. Power will continue to be channeled to all four wheels via Audi's quattro all-wheel drive system, ensuring excellent traction and stability, even in challenging driving conditions. Both the outgoing S5 Sportback and the new generation model hide a hatchback in their sloping rooflines. Pop the trunk, and you'll find a generously sized cargo area in each, although the new one can haul more than the current-gen car. There's seating for 5, and the new model has a slightly more spacious back seat than the old model. Every S5 Sportback features luxuries such as front seats with heating and massage functions, 3-zone climate control, a sunroof, and passive entry with push-button start. The new S5 is powered by a turbocharged V6 engine that makes 362 horsepower. All-wheel drive and a dual-clutch automatic transmission are both standard. This setup represents a slight step up in power from the current S5 Sportback.